Hey guys. Yes, me annoying. Alright, so we're gonna be playing some Build a Boat. By the way, we were just playing Minecraft Fractions, if you guys didn't know. I'm just uploading these videos separately because of Carter. I have a lot of stars because I'm an epic star. Yes. See my happy face. If you guys want, I'll play some Assassin. Just kidding, I'm already gonna upload videos about it because I don't care. And it's one of my favorite games. And by the way, Gavin's out of town right now. Or, yeah. Mother. I got it. Hi. Hi, Jester. Yes. Wee. Oh my god, it's Jack and Molly 3. He's so cool. Oh my god, he's such a gamer. I love him so much. Yes. Hey, no, that's my block to jump on. Don't you dare jump on my block, Jack Molly. That's not your block. That's not your block, stupid. Bitch. I mean, meanie. I spelled it wrong. Manie. Yeah, you're a manie. Comment manie if you don't like me. Yes. Nailed it. Wait. Yeah. Your friend Coco Minute 3 has joined the game. Oh my god, he did not know that. He's so popular. Wait, Overwatch PTR has started an update? Oh my god. What, are they doing something with Sigma? He doesn't need to be nerfed, really. So they're doing something with Sigma, I feel. I just feel. Yes. Alright, I just want to be small. Hello? I could fit through your legs if I wanted to. Sure, you're small, but I'm small. He died! Guys, I just witnessed a murder. Oh my god, Jack Molly 3 just died. Oh my god, he's still alive. I thought he died forever. Good thing I was there, so I knew what happened. Wait, Carter, want to see something funny? When I get a big head, it's actually really funny. Just kidding, it's not really funny, but it's decently funny. Burn to ashes. You will cower in fear once you hear my name. Jack the Destroyer. Hey, they just turned my wood into wood. That was my wood. Dare you turn wood into wood? That's offensive. Yes. What? No, you get away, Jack Molly. Go away, Jack Molly. That's my wood. That's my wood. Yes. No. Yes. And yes. I told you. Oh, yeah. I'm so sad. They stole my wood. Wait, what? They stole my wood away from me. Look, it's white. You'll never know what it actually is. Hey, wanna be a zombie? Godblock. Hey, I can fit better through half holes. No, that's annoying. That sounds annoying. No, he hit me away from my special block. I need speed. Speed. Superman, you're the man. Well, hey, I don't want to be a zombie again. I'm already a zombie. Oh, PTR Overwatch is now playable. What do you know? Gamer. Oh, nice. Click it. Yes! Told you I was funny. Die! Rhythm into him! This is called Head Wars. Oh, you're in the ground. I'm above ground. Wait, I got it. We need to add a thruster onto ourselves. If I can sit down. Oh, I actually sat down. Yes. Alright, I have a block on me. E-card. Let's fly, buckaroo. Wait. It's not working. Hey, Carter. It worked. I'm gonna ram into him. Oh crap, I'm upside down. Help me. Unclick it. I'm gonna die. Oh, nice. I think I unclicked it. It's like I'm holding it on my shoulder. I'm above ground. No. Go to blue. Yes. No, blue! I don't think blue wants me on. Ow, I'm gonna die. Crap. No, red, how could you? No, red! And then I'm just normal over here as soon as I come back. It's like nothing ever happened. Though something did happen. Is that crush? No, you messed me up! Really? Poopy head? You dare mess me up again. Is this serious matters? Alright, now you can mess me up because you can't mess me up. Gamer time, everybody. I swear to God! No! Don't watch arson on my freaking mystery block! What I thought, you stupid mystery block. You can't launch arson on here because I can make the arson go bye-bye. Yes. My face, I'm like so happy. Oh yeah, look at my gold blocks. They're so beautiful. Am I right? Yes, I am. Oh no! Let's go! Whee! You're supposed to be white. You cannot be white without me. Wait, that's not even white. That's like a legit. Alright, well now I have to recolor. You can't be black. This is arson. Stop recording. Me ended. Give me big oof head. I think my block stopped.